ladies and gentlemen, this is the search for Ginoo at Binibining Malalag 2023.
Sa gabing ito, mapasaya namin kayo kahit man lang sa munting kasiyahan ng ating barangay, lalong-lalo na po sa kabataan ng Barangay Malalag. In behalf po ng Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Malalag, term 2018 to 2023, gusto po namin kayong batiin ng Happy 5th Linggo ng Kabataan at sana po may pagpatuloy po ito sa susunod pang mga taon kahit wala na kami sa serbisyo. At sana po maging hudyat ito sa pagtaas ng antas ng ating pagkakakilanlan bilang isang barangay na naset ng mataas na standard sa larangan ng barangay pageantry.
The keys and the lock too. Turn up the heat, make it drop, boom. I make a move, that's what I do. Do it bigger and better like a typhoon. I need everybody jumping, that's my rule. Gotta take it up a notch like flight school.
Ngayong gabi, hudyat man ito ng pagtatapos ng ating taunang pagdiriwang ng Linggo ng Kabataan. Taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa suporta at aktibong pakikilahok ng bawat kabataang Malalag. Naway, patuloy tayong magbigay inspirasyon sa marami pang kabataan at ikayatin silang makilahok sa lahat ng programa at proyekto ng Sangguniang Kabataan.
I'll inspire and educate my peers. Let's rise together, celebrate diversity and leading by example.
Too many tricks up my sleeve, it feel like voila magic.
I firmly believe that the Sangguniang Kabataan is essential for enabling the youth to actively participate in the local government.
Ballin' like I'm a pro, I'm all in, always in my zone.
For I believe that the voices of the youth should not be stifled but rather
Both hands in the air
amplified.
now, I'ma make 'em move. I'm about to go up in here and make 'em move.
Encouraging more young people to participate actively in the electoral process.
And make 'em move. I'm about to go up in here and make 'em move. I'm about to go up in here and make 'em move. I walk in, got presidential status. Pull up like honey, I'm home, always on automatic. Too many tricks up my sleeve, it feel like voila magic. Got 'em jumping like rabbits, I make 'em go, go, go crazy. You got one or two options, either go hard or go home.
I aim to inspire young individuals to actively participate in barangay and SK
I
election.
got 'em right where I want. Bodies everywhere, both hands in the air now, I'ma make 'em move. I'm about to go up in here and make 'em move.
Ating pakatandaan, hindi porket kilala mo siya, ay siya na. We should stand in the center of different political parties and should listen well to them.